XB Marketing here with another video. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So if you are interested in that type of content, then make sure to check around the channel for other interesting videos. And also you want to make sure to check out the first link in the description to my course right here. That's helped a lot of people to make money online. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you've never made a dime online. With this course, you are going to get started right away. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video. All right, so as you can see right here on my screen right here, you can see I'm going to show you a simple method that you can use to collect leads from all over the world. All right, and I can tell you guys right here, I am not using any paid ads at all. As you can see right here, today I've made almost $60 so far for today. All right, and as you can see right here, these are global leads. You can see this one is from Poland right here, this is from UK, this is from Canada, South Italy right here, and also we have Switzerland right here. As you can see, we have South Africa right here. So you can see right here, I am not running any paid ads at all. These are global leads right here, which means I'm getting leads from various countries. All right, so I'm going to show you one interesting lead right here. As you can see this one, as you can see, this lead right here paid me over $45 for just an app install. As you can see, this lead right here doesn't require any sale or any purchase at all, just an app install, and I got a conversion of $45. All right, so I'm going to show you a simple strategy on how you can get global leads like this and start making money in passive income with CPA marketing. All right, so the first step is to create a content locker. All right, if you are using Cpagrip, you want to make sure you use a URL file locker and not a content locker. Okay, it's very important that you note this. You want to use a URL file locker if you are working with Cpagrip. Okay, but if you are using the likes of Ogads, then you want to use the content locker for this method. Okay, so basically what you need to do from here is to click on create a content locker. So basically you want to give your content locker a name. All right, so I'm just going to say example. All right, so once you give it a name, you can leave this place, is optional like it says, so you don't need to write anything here. You want to lock your URL right here because you are going to be locking a URL. And don't worry, I know you are getting confused at this point, but don't worry, this is very simple. You want to come over to googletrends.com. If you come over to googletrends.com, it's going to show us the trends that are currently, or the topics that are currently trending in any country. Okay, so basically you can come over right here and you can select any country that you want to target right here. Okay, so basically you can see there's a list of countries all over the world right here. So I'm going to be taking Canada as an example right here. Okay, so now once you come over here, you are going to see topics that are currently trending in Canada, as you can see right here. So now we are going to click on this. Let's take this one as an example. So this doing askings. All right, so basically what we want to do from here, all right, so you want to make sure you click on this link underneath any topic that you want to go for. All right, so I'm going to be taking this link as an example. So once I click on this link right here, as you can see, it's talking about doing askings who just died in an auto crash. Okay, so basically you want to grab this link right here and you want to copy this link and you want to go back to your locker. All right, and this is the link that you are going to be pasting right here, okay, in this redirect URL. All right, so the same process applies to Cpagrip as well. All you just need to do is create a locker in Cpagrip. Like I mentioned, you want to use URL locker. Okay, so this is where you are going to be pasting that link right here. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to basically create your content locker. So if I go back to Ogads right here, so once you're done with this, all you just need to do is click on create a locker. So once you do that, you've successfully created a content locker. So the next thing you want to do from here, you want to create a landing page. I can't stress the importance of this enough, and there are a lot of landing page builders right out there that you can use. There are free ones and there are paid ones that you can use, but I just prefer to use breezy.io. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example of a landing page that I created with breezy.io. As you can see, this is a very simple landing page and I've collected a lot of leads with this simple landing page right here. As you can see, they also give you free SSL certificates that makes your landing page look secure and people are going to trust a landing page that has this locked icon on it. All right, so you can come over to Breezy and you can create an account. Also, I'll leave a link in the description to Breezy if you want to create an account, or basically you can just go to breezy.io and you want to click on this get started now. It's free. So once you do that, all you just basically need to do is click on create a new project and you want to click on create. All right, so once you do that, then you want to click on this edit project. All right, so once you do that, you want to click on this start building your page and you want to click on this create your own. So basically the next thing you want to do here, you want to go back to this website right here, and then you want to grab this image. So you want to drag and drop this image button right here. All right, so you want to upload the image. All right, so you want to click on this upload, this image icon right here to upload that image we just downloaded. So this is the image right here. So I don't know, the image is not uploading, so basically I just have to go to Google to grab another image. So once I go to Google, I can grab another image of this guy right here. So all I just need to do is click on this image right here and download this image. So once I save this image, if I go back to my builder right here, I can re-upload this one. All right, so if I click on this upload, all right, as you can see, we have the image now. It's working fine. Okay, so you can just enlarge it a little bit, and then you can come right here and grab another element and you want to drop it underneath this image. So you want to basically type in something simple like this, and you want to align it to the center. You want to give it a bold, and you want to increase the size of the text. So basically the next thing now, you want to add a URL to this link. So you want to add a URL to this text. Okay, so here you are going to go back to your CPA account, and then you want to grab your link. So you want to click on this view details, and then this is your CPA link right here. So if you go back here, this is where you are going to paste in your CPA link. All right, so once you've done that, you want to click on read full story here. So the next thing you want to do, of course, you want to drag another text element, and you want to drop this one at the top of this page. And then you want to go back to this article. So you want to go back to this article. Okay, so you want to copy this article right here. You want to copy the topic of this article right here, and then you want to paste it here. All right, so basically that is all you need to do right here. And then you want to click on this publish page. So once you publish page, then you want to go back to your dashboard. All right, so if you go back to your dashboard, if you click on this link right here, as you can see, it's going to take us to this page. So basically what we are doing is we are content locking this page right here. All right, so basically that is what we are doing. So basically that is the second step. So the third step now is driving traffic. All right, and also there's an option for you to customize the URL of this link if you want. So basically if I go back here and copy the name, all right, and I paste the name right here. Okay, let me remove this space. All right, so basically you can see the link right here. So if I click on the link again, now you can see it says dwaynehaskins.breezy.site. So basically we are going to be driving traffic to this landing page. And now you may be wondering, why can't we just use this URL directly? And that is because most social platform or any website at all, they are going to ban you if you promote these links. So that is the main reason why you need to use a landing page. Now that you have a landing page created, driving traffic, you can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, you can use YouTube. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use Twitter. So basically you want to come over to the search bar right here, and keep in mind this topic is trending in Canada. Okay, keep in mind. So basically you can expect to get a lot of leads from Canada. So what you want to do from here, you want to type in Dwayne Haskins right here. All right, so once you type in Dwayne Haskins right here, you want to come to this latest. Okay, so if you come over to this latest, you can see 3 minutes ago someone made a comment about it. 3 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. All right, you can see 3 minutes ago. So what you want to do from here, you want to basically grab your Breezy link or any landing page builder of your choice. You want to grab the link right here, and so you can come over to Twitter and you can go to the post that are talking about it. So basically you want to come over to this post that are talking about this guy right here. Okay, example like this one that says RIP. All right, so you can just basically give a reply to this comment right here. All right, so basically you can type in something simple like this. I was a big fan of his. I found out more shocking details of the incident here, and you can paste in this link right here. So if I click on this reply right here, as you can see, the link went through. Twitter did not block the link. All right, so basically if I click on this tweet again, as you can see, this is my reply right here. As you can see, the website here is actually giving out real information about the incident of this athlete right here. So basically you are just sharing the link on Twitter and driving traffic to where people can read more information on the incident. So basically you can repeat the whole process for all the other tweets right here. So basically you can virtually go back to Google Trend. All right, so you can go back to Google Trend and pick any other topic right here and repeat the same process. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, of course, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.